Hello there. In this video, I'll show you where to find the jacking points on a Nissan Primera P12 so you can lift the car into the air and change a flat tyre. And, in case you're wondering, this information comes from the Nissan Primera Owner's Manual, specifically Section 5, in case of emergency. Okay, so let's, for example, say that we want to lift this rear right corner. To find the jacking point, start with the rear right wheel and then look forwards of it under here. And what we're looking for is a metal lip. I shall show you. It's that thing there. And what we need to do is follow that lip forwards towards the front of the car until we see two cutouts within the lip. There's one cutout. See that? And there is the other. And the head of the jack sits on this piece of metal here between those two cutouts. I'll show you. So we're going to do the jack, and that's easy enough to find on this car. We'll just look in the boot, lift off this piece of carpet, and there we go. We have a shelf of various tools, including the jack. So there we go. That's where the head of the jack sits, on this metal lip between the two cutouts. Oh, by the way, I know this is obvious, but if today we were genuinely jacking this car up to fit the spare wheel, we wouldn't have it parked over here on this loose gravel. We'd have it parked on a far more solid surface, such as tarmac. Then, of course, the car would be far less likely to fall off its jack. Now, as for the jacking point on the front of the car, here on the right side, it's much the same story. So simply look under here for that same metal lip, then follow it backwards to this point here, where you'll see those two cutouts. And as before, simply mount the head of the jack on the metal between those cutouts. And naturally, the jacking points I've shown you on the right side of the car are exactly replicated here on the left. So there we go. That's how to find the jacking point on a Nissan Primera P12. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. Do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.